You have this huge home inspection report. What do you do with it? You're moving forward in the inspection process, and one of the things that we really are proud of is that we've got a built-in repair request tool. You can call it an inspection response builder, that's fine, but it's built into every home inspection report that we have. It's on the top right of your screen, whether it be on your phone or on the computer, and you just click on it. And then it guides you through the whole report. And you can choose whatever items you want to give to a contractor to say, hey, can you take care of these items? Or your real estate agent can use that in negotiating you for a better deal or to get some things taken care of or whatever the case may be. So you don't have to pass the entire inspection report on to the next person. That's your information for how to take care of the house in the future. You can just pick and choose the items using our pictures, our verbiage, and our recommendation about that thing, and you can pass it on to whoever's gonna take care of that thing for you. And of course, you can give them our phone number because we're the ones that went through the house. So we wanna be able to answer any questions on your behalf as your advocate. If someone doesn't understand what that picture of the plumbing thing was, we want them to be able to call us and we'll guide them through it.